Wave. Wave. Good bird. Shake. Good bird. Good night, idiot.
Good night, idiot.
Award for best breakup because there's many ways to
I can explain. Speak up! What are you saying?
Yo, what's going on down here?
Bro, Maverick is talking smack, making nests and stuff.
You saying
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Oh, yeah, get in his face. Oh, shit! Oh, my, yo, what the Oh, snap, Maverick. You pissed him off, bro. Oh, God, we have a war of the century. Ah! Holy snap. Yo, what's happening? Oh, my God. This is gnarly, bro. Yo, Maverick, you okay? This turned into a fuck fest real quick, Maverick.
Say your name. You're Parrot. Parrots can talk. Say your name. Maverick.
Oh! We got a wild Maverick! Oh! Oh! Maverick! Maverick! I missed you! I missed you, Maverick! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Talk to you later.
Maverick, I'm going to Brazil today, so...
No! Is that how you feel about me, really, Maverick?
I'm going as my bird. Look, I dressed up as you for Halloween.
Did you dress up as me?
Man, I'm hungry. Thanks, buddy.
Drake be like...
Fuck a fake friend where your real friends at.
I'm just like...
The gang's all here.
Back with my boy! Hey!
You know you're not allowed to be up there. You know you're not allowed to be up there. That's a guilty look, boy.
Honey, 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 honey.
My neck, my back, lick my...
Now say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh.
Yo, it's working!
Oh, man.
My bird is a thug. He does tricks. Maverick, no, come back. Wave. No, I said wave. Wave. That a boy. That's my boy. Maverick, turn around. Oh my God. Busta Rhymes be like...
I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away.
And I'm just here like...
Dun, 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 dun.
Fuck!
Babe, I get it.
Gunshots! Big gunshots! Gotta go, babe!
Leave me, then you started seeing that when it whirls, when I'ma break that birdie's neck.
Yeah, I have long hair. Sometimes people tell me I look like a girl. My response to that?
Am I a pretty girl?
2.6 miles to the life that I never had. I can stalk them under the
Kinda catchy, right?
and I'ma break that birdie's neck.
Talk birdie to me.
Maverick, why are you upside down?
Do you think I'm pretty? I feel pretty.
Yes. I'm leaving. I'm gonna miss you. That's all there is to it. I'm really gonna miss you.
What? Yeah.